Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a nail haul. This is product all from AliExpress. I did make another purchase recently, but I'm still waiting for that shipment to come in. So probably in next month's video, I'll do another nail haul from AliExpress. But for this week, I got a total of 4 packages in, and it's a variety of a few things. The first thing I wanted to grab was some polygel. I did order 2 different brands from Amazon and ended up returning them. Only because they were kind of a little too hard, and there was a video that I watched. I will try to link it below. I don't remember the YouTuber's name, but she was using some off-brand from AliExpress, so I figured I would order and test it out myself because she had really good feedback on it. She loved the product and she recommended it, so I said why not. Anyway, so let me try to find the package, or let's do this one first. I did cut them open just because I don't want to flip it over and show you the address and make too much noise. Anyways, so let's move on. So the first one is this double-ended brush that we use for polygel. One is the actual brush itself, and the other is to scoop out the polygel. It's not as wide, and I don't know if that would be a problem to some, but this is the one that they had on the seller's website, and this goes for $2 and I think it was 10 cents. So yeah, so I grabbed that. Let me just put this away real quick, and then let's see. Okay, so these, let me just continue on with this one. So the seller was also selling the polygel. I think it was the same seller with the brush. I think I could be wrong, but this is the brand that the YouTuber was using. It's the color that I grabbed is called Elegant Pink, and this is the name of the company, Yani Kiz. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it right, but I did pick up the same color. Let me see if we could just cut this or open it, and then you guys could see the actual color. So it's a light pink. I will be doing a separate video to test these products out. It seems like it's pretty thick. I don't want to push it out too much and then it's gonna come out, but like I said, I will be doing separate videos for the actual review of this. So I ordered 2, and I don't remember if I ordered 2 base coats and 2 top coats, but that's what I got in the mail. And what I'll probably end up doing is putting a set on the side and including it in the next giveaway that I have. So as you can see, that's the name of the company, same company name. You have a base coat and that's a no wipe top coat. These are 8 milliliters. So I'll probably put these to the side, and then I'll be using these for myself. And then what else did I grab? Okay, the last thing I have to show you is spider gel. I've never used spider gel myself, but I am curious to test it out, and I just wanted to get 3 colors for now. I have black, this one is golden, and then they call this one white. The Francesca, looks like, is the name of this company. These were going for $1.05. Let me see if you guys want to see the actual color. So this one is black. I know you can't see it, but that's black right there. I don't want to I want to do a separate video on this, but this is basically white, and the gold I believe is more like of this type of tone. So That's about it for the nail haul. It's pretty short. Like I said, I do have some other stuff coming in the mail, and when I get that stuff, I will be doing another video. In that shipment, I have a mixture of like some ink and some I think it was some other type of gel polish that I bought. So yeah, that's about it. Thank you guys so much for taking the time to watch this video, and God bless. Take care. Bye.